Okay, so we're tying in the new wall into the old wall. So we're just using these dowels just to tie it in. So keep that in mind. You want to make sure the wall's nice and secure and it's tied in and with the old wall and the new wall. Basically, our footing's at the same height. Now our wall's going to be tied in, and this is going to look great when it's done. All right. Okay, so as you can see, we're moving right along here. Now the forming contractor has removed his forms and exposed all the foundation now. And at this stage here, we're going to waterproof the rest of the basement, and then put stone on the weeping tile. And then once all that's complete, we're going to call the inspector to come in and inspect the foundation, the waterproofing on it. And once he's done that, then we're going to go ahead and backfill a property and fill the inside of the outdoor living space with stone, and we're going to compact it a little bit, and then we can call our carpenter and get ready for him to start framing the addition. Great. He is
He's a stickler.
Huh?
He's a stickler. See if you can get any long nails here.
What?
The molding and stuff and insulation.
No.
Huh? Oh, it takes a lot, man, trust me.
Are we getting another truck or what? Okay, so stone slinger's here, as you can see. It's right behind me, and he's shooting the stone all around the weeping tile. Once he's done the weeping tile now, we're going to call for the inspection. Once the inspector's done, we're going to go ahead and backfill, and we can start framing. So great. Alright, so as you can see, the stone slinger's here. Now we're just filling in the inside of the excavation that we're going to be putting the outdoor living space. So we're going to be pouring a concrete pad on. So we're just finishing that off right now. Okay, so one of the things you always have to keep in mind, you got to be conscientious of your neighborhood and the surrounding neighbors. As you can see here, the stone slinger tracked a lot of mud off the property and all the way down the street. So somebody's got to clean it. So the person that's got to be cleaning it is you guys, or make arrangements with anybody who's delivering or doing your stone slinger work to clean it. But chances are you're the one that's going to be doing it. So there's also a lot of bylaw coordinates that you have to conform to depending what area you're in. Some are more strict than others. In our case, I'm pretty sure we're going to have a bylaw officer come and tell us to clean the street anyways. And so we're just being proactive, and plus we want to do it anyways. So you're going to have to do that. So keep that in mind when you're doing a reno or a build, that you're going to have to keep your neighborhood and the street clean. So back to cleaning up the mud.